Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, today we're gonna talk a little about one topic, and that's is cruising that expensive, and how can we save on booking a cruise? So, my name is Eric. I live in Bulgaria. I'm a digital maker, and I'm cruising a lot. Actually, that's part of my lifestyle. So, let's start and dive a little bit deeper into the content. So, booking cruises online can be rewarding if you know how and where to look and how to book the best deals. I'm gonna share with you some steps and tips to help you book your affordable cruise. First tip I want to share with you is use cruise deal websites such as Cruise Direct, Vacations to Go, Cruise Critic, Cruise Compete, um, and many others. Use the search engine for those websites. They mostly offer the best quality at the lowest price. Compare always, but this is actually a search engine I'm using a lot to look up for my cruises and to have an idea about the basic price. Second tip is subscribe on newsletters of cruise lines or online travel agencies so that you can get access from first hand for cruise deals, last minute offers, um, extra advantages on board, etc. Sometimes they share it through the newsletter. So subscribe to this newsletter. I know it can be annoying to receive every time newsletters from different companies, but hey, if you can do your favor and you can take advantage of it and you can save some money on it, I think it's well worth considering it. Third tip, be flexible. Flexible on dates and itineraries. Why? You all know that dates, the busiest dates, like summer season, winter season, depending on where you go on cruise, are high season, and so obviously you will pay more for the same cruise. So if you're flexible, look for the low season, down season, and look for the best itinerary to book your cruise. A fourth tip is book your cruise in advance. That means 12 to 18 months in advance. So then you get the early bird uh, advantage and also the early bird prices. If you can book the cruise in advance, then book it last minute. Last minute means between the 30 and 60 days before departure. Mostly you will get also some benefits and beneficial prices with the cruise lines or the travel agencies because you're booking as a last minute actually. Fifth tip, check special promotions either on the cruise line company website itself or on the travel agency websites. Look for special promotions like gifts for free, um, free Wi-Fi, um, gratuities included, onboard credits, free drink packages as well. So look for the special promotions and compare with all the other cruise lines and the websites. Sixth tip, consider different type of cabins. So instead of going for the window, the outside cabin or the balcony cabin, go for an inside cabin. Uh, On certain itineraries, it's not necessary to have a balcony or a window in your room, so it can easily save you a few $100 on each person on a cruise of 7 nights. So it's really worth to consider that if you really don't, if you really need or if you really want a window or a balcony, okay, then it's a different thing. But if it's not a necessary thing for you, just look in the inside cabins, the interiors cabins, and save a few $100 on the cruise. 7. I mentioned it before. Compare all the different companies like Cruise Direct, like Cruise Critic, Cruise Compete, with the cruise line website itself. Sometimes they come up with some extra promos that the travel agency are not offering, and so take advantage, just compare and see if they have such special promotions going on. 8. Consider repositioning cruising. What does that mean? Transatlantic cruises, for example. When the ship moves from one place or one destination to another to start their itineraries in that part of the world. So, for example, I know for a fact that a lot of cruise lines are repositioning from from the United States, from America to Europe, or from Asia to Europe, or from Asia to America, the United States. So these cruises are mostly without a lot of ports, so a few ports of call. It is probably a longer trip, but the prices will be way more cheaper than a normal cruise with a lot of port of calls. So if you're tight on budgets but you want to cruise, look into the repositioning cruises and save money on that. 9th tip: always check port taxes, gratuities, and excursions. For excursions, I just want to add something else. Never book your excursion on the ship. Always do it through external vendors. I just want to add something. Booking through external vendors comes with risks as well. You can save easily mostly half the price than when you book through the ship, but it comes with risks. It means if you are late from an excursion, the ship leaves without you. No further ado. So if the weather conditions are bad and you book the excursion through an external vendor and you cannot attend the excursion due to the weather conditions, you will lose your money probably. If you book it through the ship, it's all covered and they will refund it. Same goes for if the ship cannot attend or has to change his itinerary due to hurricanes, etc., and you booked your excursion through an external vendor. Once again, you will probably lose your money. So do it through the ship, they will refund you again, and you don't lose any money. So you have to consider if it's worth taking the risk going through the external vendors, or stay with the cruise line company and be more at ease and more tranquil with their policy. So If it doesn't, if you don't care about that, just go for the external vendors. You will save a lot of money. I do it all the times, um, and I can tell you, you can easily save half the money of what they are asking on the ship. So, next tip. This is concerning the spot treatments on board. We all know that the spot treatments on board are very pricey. So, a tip for that is book your spot treatments on a port day. That means when everyone goes off the ship, most of the times there are special promotions for the spa and the wellness on the ship, so that you can have the same amenities and the same packages, but for lower prices. So that's a tip that I want to share with you as well. If you're into the wellness and the spa and the wellness packages, so it's worth to just book it on a port day, not on a sea day. It will be less crowded and you will pay less. So just enjoy the spa and the wellness in the morning and go explore the city in the afternoon. So that's basically another tip. Finally, we have talked about all those online travel agencies like Cruise Connect, Cruise Compete, Vacations to Go. Basically, all the prices are more or less the same. They all offer the lowest price. The differences will be in taxes and booking fees, promotions, gratuities included, not or not included. So you have to compare and to get the most of it by the cruise. But if you really want to save money and earn and save for free cruises, actually, then you have different apps, travel apps that you can access to, where you can easily book your cruises or your even normal vacations at a discount price, cheaper, actually cheaper than the online travel agencies we talked about earlier. And you can also earn and save for free cruises in the future due to the loyalty program. You earn points and you can return your points for free cruise, or at least for a part of it as well. Honestly, I have to say that this travel app comes with a membership fee. So it's not free to use, it's not free to install. You have to pay a monthly membership depending on what your needs are. So be aware that if you go for a travel app, that you have to pay a membership fee and most likely also an activation fee. But if you play the game right and you book all the time through this app, you will save hundreds of dollars a year minimum, even though you have to pay the membership. So if you only book one short vacation a year, it wouldn't be worth it to pay the membership. You will be break even. But if you are traveling a lot and you're booking a lot of hotels, you're booking a lot of cruises, you're booking a lot of holidays, it's really worth looking into it because the prices are very sharp, and you earn the points through the loyalty program and gives you even more free travel in the future. If you want to know about those travel apps specifically, just write it down in the comment below and I will share you the link of the travel apps. So, first step, what you have to do is go online, look for all those travel agencies, look for your itinerary, compare them, get the best out of it, and then if you're interested, go through the travel app and book the same cruise at a lower price, but unfortunately with a membership fee. That being said, I hope this was helpful and see you in the next video. Bye.